Mugaru na miaka ya hau kabere riria bunge na maseneta makoretwo makiahira nda ciao na kuongerera kigina kia mahuthiro ma kamiti ya bunge niyo Parliamentary Service Commission iria thingataga mabataro ma bunge na maseneta. Umuthi hindi ya giikaro na kamiti ya kigina na kamiti ino ya PSC, bunge na maseneta ni monanirie wendi wao wa kunyihirio kigina na mahuthiro niguo gutwarana na mahinda na ukunderu wa kibesha uria ugumeire bururi.
Bernard Masaka Shenali, MP for Ikolomani.
Ona kuri uguo ni kugiire na njikanirio ya miario gatagati ka bunge na maseneta iguru wa kigina kiria kiagirire ni kuninwo kana gutinio o mwaho kigucirie na kuona kwagira kiene kigina kia mwahuri ungi.
Let's not shoot ourselves on the foot by giving wrong information to the public. The public will probably think that the National Assembly has some money for domestic travel other than the mileage, which we are not aware of, which Senate doesn't have. Yeah, so let's be clear about that.
You legislate for all counties. Same case with oversight. When you come to the Senate, you don't come to oversight like Kibia only.
Kigina kiria githukagirwo icigo cia ubunge kia NGCDF nigio gitungiri uregani munene ni maseneta gukuna wa bunge makiagira kiene kigina gia kunyabara thirikari cia county kiria maseneta mareda.
You will find in GAF, you will find their markets, you will see, and if you go to schools you'll find bursary receipts. I want to know what your oversight money does as Senate.
This honorable commission to cede to our request, Chairman, because if you cede to our request, Chairman will be ceding to the request of Kenyans, because we represent people of Kenya as a Parliamentary Service Commission, meaning to by extension Parliament.
Abunge ni moritie Senate ifunge kamite imwe kuona kamite icio ni mugaru na watho na memba kamite icio magirire ni kuriha mbeca iria mamukirite kumana na cikaro cia kamite icio.
There are committees in Senate that are oversighting functions of the national government. I don't know why we should have a committee on internal security, foreign affairs, a committee maybe on infrastructure and transport, a function that is purely a national government function. I think those committees should be disbanded and that account should be rationalized and those funds be redirected.
Riendekithia ria kunina kigina kia ugendi guku bururi-ini ni ritungire uregani makiria ni abunge aria maumaga thabari cia kuraya nginya guku Nairobi makiuga undu uyu ni ta kumarenga maguru. Ona kuri uguo muikarigito wa kamiti ya kigina Ndindi Nyoro ni uritie abunge metikire kurengwo mbeca iria itari cia kimuthingi niguo kuhotithia thirikari gukinyaniria tabarira ngurani cia uthii wa nambere wa bururi.
Me as Ndindi Nyoro am willing to volunteer my travel budget to go to electricity, for example. I'm willing. Many members of parliament are willing to volunteer that instead of going for domestic travel, they are willing to meet in mini chambers.
Okaire-ini okau kuri na bunge aria mararegana na igeria o riothe ria kurengwo gwa kigina kia bunge.
As much as you are cutting foreign travels, please, clerk, remember me. I still want to travel outside this country to different jurisdictions to compare and see what I can do better.
Maya mokite riri kamiti ya bunge igie kigina rathie na mbere na kwamukira mawoni kuma kuri honge itiganite iguru ria kunyihio gwa kigina kiria honge ici irathukiirwo thutha wa guteanirio kwa mutaratara wa watho wa kigina wa mwaka uyu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.